My name is Kristin and I'm the Adult Services Librarian at the Mogadore Branch Library, and today we're making cheese. I'm going to start you out with a basic cheese. It's going to be a recipe for a Queso Fresco, and it uses a few basic ingredients that you probably already have at home. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn about making more cheese, feel free to come to any Akron-Summit County Public Library to check out some more books on cheese making. First, we're going to place the half gallon of milk in a pot on medium heat. Half gallon is the equivalent of 8 cups. We're going to heat the milk to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. While the milk is heating, place a colander over a large bowl and line the colander with cheesecloth. Once the milk has reached 170 degrees Fahrenheit, we're going to add the vinegars. We're putting in 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and 2/3 of a cup of white vinegar. We're going to stir this a couple times, and then we're going to let it sit for 30 to 45 minutes. Now we're going to cut the curds with a knife. And using a slotted spoon, we're going to remove the curds and add them to the cheesecloth in the colander. Once all of the curds are in the cloth, you're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of kosher salt. And you're going to stir your salt around to mix it into the cheese curds. Then you're going to take some twine or string. You're going to form your cheese into a ball. You're going to tie it off. And then you're going to take your bundle and you're going to hang it from your kitchen faucet, or you can hang it from anywhere that you have the ability for the cheese to hang so it can drip for 30 to 45 minutes. Once that 30 minutes is up, we're going to cut open our cheesecloth. We're going to take our cheese out of the cloth and put it back into our colander. We're going to press it down into a flat disc in the bottom of our colander. And we're going to let it drip dry for another 30 minutes. Once the cheese stops dripping, you can go ahead and transfer it over to a bowl or container to be stored in the refrigerator until ready for use. And there you are, your Queso Fresco.